We're over at, what is the?
Fore Lake.
What's that?
Fore Lake.
So we're over at Fore Lakes in Florida, and we're going out by this little lake in the forest. And there's so much wildlife here. I haven't seen any armadillos yet. Oh, look, alligators. Oh, there could be alligators here. Look how clear the water is.
Mm-hmm. That looks refreshing, even though it's a lake.
So you guys have alligator snapping here?
Oh yeah.
So they'd be in this lake.
Oh yeah, they would. Oh, there's something just jumped over there. It could have been a turtle. There's a lot of turtles in here. Bubbles are there.
Alligators like to eat. Because this is where a lot of fish go, right?
Oh yeah, bass.
Oh
yeah.
Now you guys have a lot of bass here.
Yeah.
Great,
Bass and bluegill.
great bass fishing. I don't see any heads on the water.
No.